Welcome to this channel, ready to make money. In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new way to make money online. Are you ready to make money? Make money online fast as a YouTuber. Do you have a small YouTube channel, but want to be a successful YouTuber? Well, this insider information is just for you, and going to change your life forever. This new information has nothing to do with those YouTube giant channels. How much money do normal YouTubers really make? How much will YouTube pay for 1,000 views? How to become a millionaire on YouTube? These are important questions, because according to our recent study, becoming a YouTuber is now considered one of the most desirable jobs in the world. And yes, some articles tell you, almost nobody is making a living from YouTube. But now on the other side, people talk about normal people becoming millionaires from their YouTube channel and its video views. Wow, so what's the truth? How rich can a YouTuber get from YouTube? How much money can you make with your YouTube views? Hi and welcome to Ready to Make Money. In today's video we'll show you how to make money online fast for free using YouTube. Have you ever made money on YouTube? If you did, let me know in the comments which country you are from, and how much money you want to make on YouTube, and I will help you. In this video, the Ready to Make Money channel will be answering how YouTube ad revenue really works, how much money you can really make on YouTube, and all the many other ways some YouTubers profit from their channel. Now I will be including some monetization tricks you may want to use yourself. Now for an example, I'll be explaining how a video with less than 1,000 views can make over $50,000 US, and yet a video with 10,000 views made considerably less. So now let's dive into the truth about making money on YouTube. Have you ever made money on YouTube? If you did, let me know in the comments which country you are from, and how much money you want to make on YouTube, and I will help you. Now, think in terms of how much ad revenue all of that views per video can earn you in 2023. Our main channel here earned a whopping $2,858,700, while the other barely earned $2,858.68. Both channels of these two great YouTubers have fairly similar audience sizes with several million subscribers each. So how can they be in such different financial position on YouTube? Channel 1 is a multi-millionaire, while Channel 2 is the one barely earning on YouTube. Now of course it's not just these two YouTube channels. There is a huge division in channels all across YouTube. Some creators seem to have incredibly glamorous, luxurious millionaire lifestyles, whilst others talk about struggling to even pay their bills. Now, maybe, their spending habits are obviously a factor in that too. But the truth is that when it comes to making money on YouTube, ad revenue views are not paid equally. Some creators get paid far more for 1,000 views than another with the exact same amount of views. You see, YouTube do not set a price for ads. They don't say you'll get X dollars for X ad views. Instead, every time an ad is displayed on a video, the top advertisers bid how much they're willing to pay to be in front of that content. This means that for certain types of videos, advertisers are willing to pay very much more. Let's go back to our example of 1,000 regular views payment versus 1,000 premium views payment. The reason Ready to Make Money Channel 1 ad revenue is considerably higher is because it talks about money, tech, finance and investing. These topics are some of which advertisers are willing to pay much more to be in front of. That's true, typically because, if you're selling something finance related, you often have higher profit margins. And you also know that anyone watching a money or finance video is very likely to buy or invest. When people are interested in what you're selling, investing into or buying, you get buyer traffic views. Whereas Ready to Make Money Channel 2 was getting high views from pranks, vlogs to advertisers, and random views, which aren't the types of videos that they want to pay a lot to be in front of. They don't fully know who's going to be watching those type of videos, and they don't really relate very well to buying any particular products or services. So when it comes to YouTube ad revenue, the riches are in these wealth, finance, luxury and money niches. Certain types of videos are simply much more valuable to advertisers, and so they pay far more, so you will earn far more. Now, I'm sure you have your own channel. When you go into the Creator Studio, you'll be able to see which videos the advertisers are paying most for by looking at the CPM. This metric tells you how much advertisers pay for every 1,000 monetized views of that particular type of video. Now, hypothetically, a comedy sketch may have a $2 CPM for 1,000 views. A video about money or life insurance could have a $20 CPM per 1,000 views, which means that for every 1,000 views, the insurance video is getting 10 times what the comedy makes. Ready to make money. After a million monetized views on both videos, one would have about $2,000 and the other would have $20,000. Now in terms of revenue, that may seem a little unfair. Whereby it does make sense, because, as you can imagine, an insurance company would be willing to throw big money to be in front of a video that's about insurance. Now, don't get me wrong, but not many companies are going to throw big money to be in front of a comedy sketch. However, if you are in a high-paying niche with a typically low CPM, just remember that every video is ranked individually. So if you were making a comedy sketch, and want to get high paid, if it is a comedy sketch about making money, finance, investing, real estate, business, lawyers or anything else like that, advertisers would likely pay more for it. Now you can still get a high CPM, because YouTube is looking at the words you say within your video title and tags. So for example, if we go back to one of the most profitable videos of all, it was a video when he interviewed a day trader. Now he has interviews with far more high-value views. Day trading and investing or high search make money online keywords. With such high CPMs he made considerably more money from that video. So if you really wanted to, you could deliberately make content around topics that are known to be more profitable. But that's not the full picture. The truth is, advertisers don't just pay more for certain topics and keywords. But, I am sure they pay more depending on who the ad is being shown to. Now for another ready to make money example. The secret is that most advertisers will pay considerably much more for views from people in first world countries. Highest paid views comes especially from America and the UK. Now, simply because they know people in these countries typically have a higher amount of disposable income. They buy more and are more willing to spend more on their products and services. After all, it's a bit pointless if you are not doing it just to be making money. Yes, my friend, it's pointless running an ad for a $500 product, in countries where the average citizen could never afford that. In fact, because of the very large amount of data Google has on most people's spending habits. Now big advertisers can target their ads, based on a huge amount of different factors. Basic factors, even things like interests, investments and estimated household income. So the amount a YouTuber earns, is not just based on what their video is about, but especially who is watching it, and how much advertisers are willing to pay to be seen in front of those types of people. Because advertisers will bid more to be in front of certain high-paying demographics and top trending topics. Videos and views which will drive the CPM up, so the creator earns much more money. And so you can see why a site like Social Blade keeps track of all earnings, a system that tries to estimate earnings and eliminate cheating others of their earnings. Now if you are looking for other ways to make money online, watch my other videos. Remember to subscribe now and hit that notification bell. So as soon as I drop a new video you will be first to get it. I'm also putting out several videos a week to help you make money online. Disclaimer. Ready to Make Money channel assumes no responsibility or liability for any errors or omissions in the content of this site. Information contained in this site is provided on, as is, basis with no guarantees of completeness, accuracy, usefulness or timeliness. This is not financial advice nor am I in any way a financial advisor. Results shown are no guarantee you will earn if you invest. Age disclosure. This channel is for adults 20 years and over only. All investment are high risk and you may lose all your investment. Please do your own research, as we are not responsible for any money lost trying this, or any methods seen in these videos. Subscribe, click the bell, like and share, leave a comment for more ways to make money online.